Hey team, Dustin Mansell here. I got some exciting news. Free, F-R-E-E, is what you get your hotspot for now. Your helium hotspot from iHub is absolutely free. You make 40% off whatever it generates. Now, to find out what it would generate in your household, you're going to want to go to explore.helium.com, and you're going to want to put your address in. That explore.helium.com, that website is down below in this description of this video. And all you have to do is click on the video, look at descriptions. You can click on it, and you come in here and go to your address and find out what your hotspot would make in your area. I'm going to go to my business address right now, Parkway. I'm going to bring it up. I don't even need to. Auto zoom into where I live. This is Las Vegas, right? Right in here. I live in this area right here. So the closest one to me is this guy. If I click onto him and I go to view hotspot details, then I will scroll down to rewards and see that made 67.83 HNT in the last 30 days, which, to tell you the truth, I have not even added up what I don't even know what HNT is worth right now, but let's just say it's worth $10. It made $670 in the last 30 days, which you would get 40% of that, which is $268 for simply having a hotspot in your house, right? So once I add mine, it's going to get even better. The more you add around, the more money, the more HNT that it makes. And when you grow your team, you get 10% off every hotspot that comes in underneath you. So just simple math, have 1,000 of these hotspots underneath you, times $268. That's $268,000 per month you can be making by simply sharing what this is. But before we go anywhere else, you're going to want to get started. So you're going to want to go back and log into your iHub Global account. Come right here, and by the way, in the description is a login. And if you do not have an account yet, then go down and there's a link you can click on to create a free account and get a free hotspot. So go right here, go to reserve a hotspot. Then right here, put your full name, your address, your phone number, your shipping address. For some reason, not letting me scroll down. I'm not sure what the deal is, but you should be able to scroll down. Do I agree to all the terms and conditions? Look at this right here. Amount due today, $0. Pretty amazing stuff right there. There it goes. Now it's letting me scroll down. So put your address in, your install address. Get with your mom, your dad, your sister. Get them on board as well. You could install onto theirs, have them sign up. You'll make 10% off whatever they're making. Even 100 people that you get signed up for free, guys, for FREE. 100 times 268 is a total of $26,000 per month you can be making by just getting 100 people signed up. If this doesn't motivate you, I don't know what does. Absolutely free. Making money by putting a little tiny thing the size of your palm into your house to create some HNT. And that is if the HNT is at $10. If it goes up to $100, we're talking life-changing money. All right, guys, down below is all the stuff, how to check to see where the hotspots around you, how to log in, and also how to get started if you want to. All right, we'll talk soon.